How to create real Metatrader 4 account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To create a real Metatrader 4 account, launch your application in your device. Now from here, to open an account, it will ask you a pop-up which you can accept or decline. Now, make sure you always hit on the accept button. A pop-up will ask you if you wish to open a demo account. If such pop-up does not appear, you can easily log in by tapping on Find Broker option. If not, you can head back from here and click on the three horizontal line. Tap on the Get Started option. From here, tap on the plus sign icon at the top. Here, you can tap on Open a Demo account. Then click on MetaQuote Demo. Starting with the personal information, you need to enter your name, phone number, and email address to associate with your account. Then you can select the account type, then leverage, and as well as the deposit. After that, you can click on Create Account. With a simple click, you'll be able to create your very own MetaTrader 4 account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.